So here's how to receive payments on Remitly. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Then here you have to simply search for the remitly.com, and then you have to sign into your account. To receive payments on Remitly, you don't need to have a Remitly account. However, if you want to receive payments from someone using Remitly, they can use the services to send money to your bank account or mobile wallet if supported in your region. The process of receiving money through Remitly typically involves the following steps. To receive money from Remitly, you have to provide the sender with the necessary details to initiate the transfer, such as your full name, bank account information, or mobile wallet details. Depending on the sender's location and the transfer method they choose, they may need to have a Remitly account to initiate the transfer. They will need to specify the recipient, the amount, and the preferred amount method, bank deposit or the mobile wallet. Once the sender completes the transfer, you may receive a notification or confirmation from Remitly that the money is its own way. The time it takes for you to receive the funds depends on various factors, including the sender's location, the payment method chosen, and your bank or mobile wallet's processing time. After the money is credited to your bank account or mobile wallet, you can withdraw the funds as needed. So that's how to receive payments on Remitly.